So the first topic that we'll be discussing will be how to enable visitor typing insights. We will also learn how to anticipate visitor questions before they hit send. So our online chat platform tells you in real time what customers are typing in the live chat window so you can find answers quicker. So let me just open a browser. Here we have sample copy hub blogspot. So on the bottom right corner you will see a chat widget from SalesIQ. So let me try to access this. Transfer to operator, just for an example. Accept this. So let me go back again to the browser that we just opened. So let me just randomly type one. If you go back to our SalesIQ, you'll notice a real-time typing site. Okay, so again, let me just do an example. As you can see, it is real time that you can see is as a agent. So this feature is native for our SalesIQ. Okay. So for a quick summary again for the typing review. So our online chat platform tells you in real time what customers are typing in the live chat window so you can find answers quicker. It gives you a glimpse of your customers' questions as they are typing and buys you some extra time to process your answer. So that will be it for our first topic. So the next topic would be how to set up visitor wait time notifications. So it will reduce abandonment and boost transparency by keeping customers informed. So to do that, go just proceed to settings. Then next, go to brand. Then choose the brand, which is currently we're at demo brand. Since we're here, just navigate to flow controls. Then scroll down for a bit. Then you'll see set visitor waiting time for web visitors. So lesser the waiting time, the more will be your customer satisfaction. So we can set the timeout before an operator should respond to incoming chat notification. This is only applicable for website visitors. As you can see here, we have some choices for how many seconds that we can have for the waiting time for our web visitors. So you just simply click your preferred waiting time, then click save. Okay, so that's it. So the next topic would be how to manage multiple concurrent chats effectively. So the best practices and features that help agents handle several chats without sacrificing quality. So it uses automation such as visitor tracking, chatbots, proactive chat triggers, chat routing, and etc. So to set the concurrent chat limits, go to your settings on the top right corner. Under General, click My Profile. Then on the right side, you'll see a gear icon. Click that. So just scroll down, you'll see a concurrent chat limit. So set the number of chats the operator can handle simultaneously. Reaching the set threshold, the status will turn to engage and new chats will not be routed. So you can either based on the global settings or set the maximum concurrent chats. So in our case, let's just click global settings for now. Then you'll be redirected to here. So you can set your time limit for your operators. You can just choose your desired idle time, and you can also choose the operator concurrent chat limit here. How many limit that you want. You can also disable this if you wish. Okay, so that will be on how we configure our time limit. Okay, so we have another feature, not just for the concurrent chat limit, but we also have intelligent chat routing. So the purpose of this is to direct incoming chats to the most appropriate agents or departments based on the predefined criteria. So let me go back to the menu. Under Automate, we have visitor routing, and chat routing. So in our case, let me just head to visitor routing. And so here we can already define our routing for our visitors. Just add your title, the brand that you wanted to, your audit criteria, your rules, and below is we have the routing criteria. So let me just click one brand and let me just click specified operators. Let me just select one. Assuming we have a lot of operators, but for now we only have one. So we can also choose our routing type. So we have first available, least loaded, route one by one, and simultaneous routing. So here we can already determine what type of routing that we can do for the specific criteria. So in order for us to maximize our limitation for our operators, we can already define it here, okay, from our routing criteria and our routing type. Okay, so you just have to choose one, and upon clicking save, that that criteria that you created is already implemented real time. Okay. Well, we have another feature called canned responses. They are pre-programmed responses, solutions, link, and etc. that you can create inside Zoho SalesIQ and use to answer questions that are frequently asked by customers. So the purpose are to make customer communication faster, more consistent, and more efficient. Speed up responses, maintain consistency. We can also support multitasking and enhance customer experience. So in order for us to do that, we just simply go back here first. So let's just say we have an example here of our conversation earlier, and as you can see on our blank space, we just simply type // and here we can already choose our preferred can reply. So if I just click this, you can see from there I can just already send it from that point. Okay, and if you wish to have our own can reply, just head to your website. You can see already see can replies, and from there you can already see the type of can replies, how many times it was used, the last used, and the last update. And here, if you want to enable or disable our can reply, just simply toggle this on or off. Okay, and if you wish to create one, just simply click add. There, you create your own message, and we can also have our dynamic text as well. So you just press the percentage, as you can see, you can have a list of dynamic text. For example, if I click insert email, there you go. On the right side, you can have our can reply type, it can be public or private. You can also associate what department. You can also add tags for us to easily identify what type of can reply is that. Okay, so the purpose of this is to have our chat consistent when we reply to our customers, and making it more consistent when replying to them. Okay, so another feature to display our agent availability in the chat widget. Let me just show you my website first. As you can see on the bottom right, we are currently online. So in order for us to make it offline, you just simply go to your SalesIQ and just toggle this. So from available, it will become busy. If you go back to our website, let's just refresh. It will now become offline. So in order for us to do that, go back to your SalesIQ, go to settings, then Zobot. So in your Zobot, you just basically disable it. Okay, so from there you can basically already toggle your operator status so to become busy or available. So if we toggle back again and go back to our website and refresh again, now it become online. Okay, so another feature in SalesIQ is how to enable our chat queue. So it is used to guide visitors through wait times with a personalized branded queuing experience. So all you have to do is go to your settings, then go to your brands, the selected brand that you wish. Next is head to your flow controls, and then if you scroll down, you'll see chat waiting experience. So here you can enable or disable it, and you can also add how many numbers of visitors that you wish to allow for each operator queuing. Okay, you can set it to 1 or 5 depending on your business process. Okay,